FlyEnv now includes a native temporal module. FlyEnv manages the local services in your development stack from one desktop app. Select Temporal in the Service Governance group. The Versions tab lists official temporal releases ready to install. Installed releases appear on the service page as soon as the download finishes. Keep multiple versions locally and choose the one you want to run. Open Configuration to inspect the temporal server settings. Edit the server configuration in the built-in editor, then save your changes. The UI tab exposes the local web configuration too. Use the built-in shortcut to open Temporal Web in your browser. The browser connects straight to your local temporal server. Browse workflows and workers from Temporal Web. Back in FlyEnv, confirm that the temporal service is still running.